And then you guys going to see this, right? So basically under the Shopee web chat, there's a 3 main section here: the navigation, the chat window, and the order voucher. Okay, the navigation is the list of buyer that have been chatting with you guys, or you chatting with other people, right? So once you click into one of these username, you're going to pop up on the chat window. And then you can see what is actually happening. What are the chats that this particular buyer has sending to you guys. In the meantime, you can also check the orders and the vouchers, all right? You can check what kind of orders that this buyer have been made, not just at the moment, but also for the past previously purchasing as well, okay? So if you felt like you want to give vouchers also, you can give vouchers, there's no problem, okay? So let's do a little bit of live demo here. All right, guys. So basically, this is your seller center. First of all, you need to go to your seller center, right? So then you guys can see there's a chat section here. All right, there's a chat section. And then you guys can see there's a sign here. Go to the full version of chat. So you click on that part. Okay, they will bring you guys to this page here. So this is the navigations, and then this is the chat window, and then this is the order and vouchers. All right, the product order, products and vouchers page here, right? Section. So this is how you guys can do it, right? So basically, when you guys are chatting with someone, all right, so you can just click the order, you can see what kind of order, or you can send details. Okay, let's say I search for one of the sellers, one of the buyer, okay, and then suddenly I want to see what kind of order have been made by this buyer towards my account. Nothing, all right, no order have been found. Okay, if suddenly I want to send a products, also can, I want to send the details of this product, see, it's sending, right? And then I want to send a voucher, so make sure you create the vouchers first so that you can send the voucher to them. All right, so basically this is a brief on how you guys can start using the Shopee web chat portal. So it's a lot easier using this one compared using through your phones, okay? If I wrongly type, can I delete the chat? Cannot. So basically, unfortunately, we don't have that features yet, but definitely something that we are looking for. When we do typo, we wrongly type, we need to delete the chat, all right? Or recall back, okay? So the first thing first, you can do announcement. So basically announcement here is just where you guys can get, not you doing the announcement, you getting the announcement. Basically you getting announcement about web chat latest update. So new announcement can be found on the navigation section there. Right, so there's like a bell button, so you can just press that. You can see what are the announcement that have been made regarding to web chat, okay? Second is my contact, all right? So my contact is actually to show you guys all the contact that you guys have. So hold on, So basically, number one is the notifications, all the web chat related notifications. Number two is the settings. Number three is the filter messages. Number four is the individual chat management, right? So this is where how you guys can manage your contacts. Number three is the customized messages, right? So customized messages, meaning you want to send customized messages with this engaging multimedia and interactive features on web chat. So basically what you guys can do, you can send a sticker, all right? So this is one of the best thing as well, all right? People sending a sticker. So go ahead and use one, okay? Number two, you can send a photo. You can select and send up to 10 images at a time, okay? This is one of the things that you guys can do. The third one is product informations. All right, I think I just showed it to you guys just now how you guys can send informations regarding to your products. Okay, so how to insert the sticker? there's a sticker icon there, and then you guys can select whichever that you guys love to send to the buyer. Okay. Can you send additional picture to buyer? Yes, you can. All right. So basically, there's a photo icon there. So you choose whichever photo that you guys want. You can choose up to 10 images. Okay. Can I send other products to buyer? Yes, also this is one of the things. So basically in the order products and vouchers, so there's a product tab there. So you click on the product, it will show all the product that listed under your account. You can just select and send it to them. Okay. Number 4 is the order management, right? So order management, like I said, where you guys get the idea on what have these buyer have been ordering, right? For previous one, is it the first time buyer, right? Is it what we call it, repeated buyer? So everything will be provided to you guys here. Okay. Number 5 is sending the vouchers. So basically, like I said, there's the order, products, and voucher tabs. All right. So you click on the voucher tabs, and then you guys can see. Okay, I'm going to show you guys here. Okay. So there's the order, products, and vouchers. So you can click on the voucher tab here, and then you guys can see they said no vouchers found because you have not created any voucher yet. So basically, you need to create a voucher first, right? So you need to create a voucher first, so then it will be listed down here. So it's whether is it ongoing or already scheduled, right? So it depends on you. Okay. So once you already have the voucher, you can just select the voucher and send it to the buyer. Okay. Okay, so basically inside this slide also is one of the way I put it a slide how you guys can create a new voucher. Okay. So now topics number 4, which is the chat assistant, right? So this is one of the features that we have under the web chat portal actually. Okay, it's called the FAQ assistant or the chat assistant. Okay, so what you can do basically, FAQ assistant is actually to chat assistant is to assist you. So this is where you guys can set up your auto reply, your FAQ assistant, and also your message shortcuts. Right. So number 1 is auto replies. I totally 100% request that all my students, if you start selling in Shopee, please make sure do the auto reply. Right, so auto replies is created by the seller themselves, and it doesn't count as responded. Okay, remember, auto reply doesn't count as a responded. Okay, so make sure this is how you guys can create the auto replies. Okay, and this is a bit of what is recommended content in the auto replies themselves. So it can be anything. Right. Hi, thank you for buying from us. Thank you for visiting from us. Thank you. Hey, welcome to Shopee Uni classes. My name is Fazidin. I will be helping you out. I will reply to you as soon as possible. Simple. Okay. So make it simple and avoid using short forms, especially in auto replies, so that we can show that the buyer, that this particular seller is very serious of selling their products. Okay. Number 2 is the FAQ assistant. Okay, FAQ assistant, where actually the buyer, when they start to chat with you guys, if you already turn on this FAQ assistant, so the buyer can immediately choose the questions from the questions that you guys already put in, including with the answers. Right, so meaning that let's say when the buyer click one questions from the FAQ assistant, so automatically the answer will be pop up to them. Right, so basically you can create up to 3 question classification, and under each of these qualification you can create another 3 questions per classification. Okay, so basically FAQ, you don't have to worry if the buyer continue chatting with you through the FAQ. All right, the FAQ is the one that keep replying. It won't affect your chat response rate. But if suddenly the buyer click chat with the shop agent, meaning they want to chat manually direct to the sellers. So then, only then you have to reply to that particular questions. Okay.